Hello guys. We're doing music today because I'm time out and like there's nothing to do. So guys, si Mama is gonna play like songs
Something.
and I have to guess it. Ready, set, go.
Game.
If they're the loser, they don't have cell phone.
Okay. It's a game.
It's
okay.
I just joking.
No taking back. No taking back. It's okay.
That's
I love that game. No cell phone if you fail to guess
No,
three
no, no,
songs.
no, no, no.
All the 3 songs that I'm gonna play.
Sige.
Oh, don't touch it.
Sige.
Oh, sige ah. No cell phone for how many hours? For a day?
2 hours lang.
3 hours.
2 hours lang. Or 1 hour lang. 1 hour.
Hindi mo naman mag-negotiate ito. Sira.
Ano?
Ready? Ito na, game na.
Isa black.
Wala pa akong pinaplay na uulaan. Madaya.
Sige.
Wala pa akong pinaplay. Inuulaan niya na. Pero, umuulaan yung iniisip ko. Madaya ka eh. Okay na.
Yes.
Ito.
Itty-bitty spider. Spouse.
Anong tayo nun?
Itty-bitty spider.
Ano itibiti?
Spider.
Ulit. Oh, sige, 1 point ka na ah. Anong title? Ano?
Egg.
It's wrong. Ano yan?
Cheater.
Ano?
Pilipinas.
Hindi ah. Ano yun? Anong title nun? Dapat title.
Hindi title. Hindi ko alam.
Oh, hindi mo alam mo. One down. I only have 5 songs ha.
No.
Ah, ito.
No.
Ito.
That's a lie. You're teacher. You're cheating. Guys, Mama's cheating.
Uy, ano ta?
Mama's cheating, guys.
Hindi ah, game.
Cheater.
Dali na.
Black sheep. Have you anyone? Yes, sir.
Ano?
Yes.
Anong kanta?
Black sheep.
Hindi, okay lang naman, no? Magkatunog. Basta, tama yung title ng sasabihin niya. Anong title?
Black sheep.
Yan!
Hey guys, sorry na. Hindi ko po sabi goodbye eh. Goodbye.
Bye! See you again next time! Bye!